Well, hi friends, I'm so excited to be here today and finally on another adventure. It seems like it has been forever. It's only been since September, but it seems like it's been forever now. This trip is super special because we are on the Wonder of the Seas, the biggest cruise ship in the world, and I cannot wait to share these adventures with you. I am currently blown away to the point where I had all these plans to try to do a video, you know, before we got on board, all that stuff. It has been so overwhelming that I haven't been able to do that, and this is my first time. I'm sitting on my balcony. I have a Central Park balcony, and I am sitting on my balcony doing this video because when I leave this room, there's so much to look at and so much to do. I cannot focus. I am so impressed. First thing you do when you get on a cruise ship, of course, is go to the Windjammer, and we did that. Again, I love all the cruises I go on, but man, Wonder of the Seas has blown it away on the Windjammer Cafe, the buffet. You know, a lot of those are just mediocre. This one was excellent today. So that is exciting to experience all of that. So today's just all about exploring the ship, and that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned for all of that, and we will see what all we can find on this ship. I can't even tell you how excited I am about this cruise. 7 days, Eastern Caribbean, perfect day at Coco Cay, St. Thomas, St. Martin. It's gonna be packed full of fun things. A couple room videos for you so that you can see a couple different types of rooms here. So stay tuned for all of that, and let's see where this day takes us. All right, so we are headed to dinner. Actually, we're gonna go to a Christmas tree lighting first, and we are at Central Park, and Lexi just thinks she's a model. But look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. This is Central Park at night, and it's beautiful. So right back there is where the I don't know, the Rising Tide bar is. So it comes up to this deck and it goes down to the promenade. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. All right, Wonderland tonight, so stay tuned for that.
Get those cameras ready.
Sunshine. I don't know what that is, but it was 5 stars. And we're about 3 minutes away from these little robots making us a drink. This is really cool.
Bunny that is late for important day, and the dormouse that is sleeping in a teacup. Confusing, right? Yeah. Well guys, welcome to Wonderland. Enjoy your dinner and see you later. Ciao.
Thank you. Here. What is it?
It's like fruit and like I don't know.
It's okay. Move the cup. Let me have some of that though.
Hi.
Rip me some of that.
Okay.
That's some good cotton candy.
No.
Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
I don't know what it is, but it looks amazing. And then we have this cute little shrimp wrap thing. Fried mac and cheese. Okay.
Do you want this?
I'm so excited about this. We have the crab cones. He says that if you like wasabi, you got to start at the bottom. But if you don't like wasabi, you have to start at the top. So I'm going to start at the top. That's good. I like that. What else? Alright, we have a lot of food. This is the liquid lobster. I like it. Alright, we have, I don't know what it is, some mushroom risotto. It popped in my mouth. Oh, I think that was a fake mushroom. I don't know what that was. So pretty. It was really good though. So, Wonderland. Let's talk about that. Wonderland on the Oasis class ships. Definitely worth the cost. And it really wasn't that expensive. I don't remember how much it was, like $50-something a person. For adults, $20 $12 for kids, something like that. I'll put that in the comments. But the waiter was amazing. So we had never been there before. So what he did was he was like, okay, well, I'm gonna give you the top 6 appetizers that we have. And he brought them out for one appetizer for everybody, so everybody could try everything that was on the menu. And then we each got 1 meal. And then for dessert, same thing. He brought out one of every kind of dessert so that we could try it. Absolutely worth the cost. Everything was weird. It was an experience. That's all I can say about it. It was an experience. I didn't hate any of it. I actually liked most of it, and totally worth the money we paid for going there. So you have to try Wonderland. If for nothing else, the experience. It was so much fun. So try Wonderland. If you get the unlimited dining package, great. If not, just purchase Wonderland by itself. If you haven't done it yet, you have to try it. It is amazing.